Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the DUX token, DUX. This token is about to get a brand new central exchange listing in about 2 days. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. DUX. So this is from the Wearedux project. You can find them at Wearedux _ on Twitter. So this token is about to be listed in 2 days, January 25th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there. You're welcome to use that if you like. So basically how you get this token is you just simply go through that Mexc referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT because that's what it's paired with. Go into the trade section, search DUX, which is the ticker symbol, and then you'd simply just buy the token. January 25th, 12 o'clock UTC time. That's when it gets listing. There was a brand new listing alert from 4 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. So it says, Wearedux focuses on using blockchain infrastructure for better services and products. And they have an announcement page that you could check out on Mexc Global's Twitter. So it says here that DUX started in June 2020, focusing on using blockchain infrastructures for better services and products and to provide security in the onboarding of new entrants. The direction of the DUX ecosystem always has the following purpose: socioeconomic transformation through the generation of distributed income in the context of inclusion and empowerment of users, facilitating the transition from the Web 2 to Web 3 economy, materialization of attractive, safe, and profitable business opportunities for our stakeholders, with planning focused on generating and creating a profound socioeconomic transformation in LATAM through the technological empowerment of our user base and the innovations arising from the Web 3.0 economy, moving towards a Web 3 ecosystem in the form of a DAO. So a DAO, basically, this token will enable you voting rights. By obtaining this token, you will have voting power and decision making in which direction the project will go in the future. So in the ecosystem in the form of a DAO that directly participates in the safe entry for more than 100 million people in the Web 3 ecosystem over the next 10 years. And it says max supply is 1 billion tokens is the max total supply of this token. Their official webpage is wearedux.com. They have their block explorer available on the Mexc Global announcement page, along with their Twitter, which is at Wearedux _ like I said earlier. Then they also have a Telegram, DUX Crypto, or Crypto, it has 2 O's at the end of it, DUX Crypto, and they have a Discord here at Wearedux as well. So on their block explorer, this is a Polygon token on the Matic blockchain. So this is a Polygon scan block explorer. It says so far they only have 5 holders, 7 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. So it looks like this is only going to be this is their initial listing. Since they don't have any exchanges, it doesn't look like it is available on like the DEXs like SushiSwap or QuickSwap, where they usually sell Polygon tokens. looks like its initial listing is going to be on Mexc Global. So it'll be the first place you'll be able to get this token, according to their Polygon scan anyways. Now, on their webpage, if you go over to wearedux.com, the first thing it asks you is to sign in with your MetaMask wallet. Now, if you don't want to do that and you just want to check out what the page looks like, you can sign in as a guest and you don't have to connect your wallet whatsoever to the page. And they have different headings here, like one says opportunities, the only platform that provides you with earning opportunities through to earn technology, get paid by writing articles, creating art, playing games, referring friends, connecting your media, completing surveys, and much more. Here is your only way to win. Now it says my opportunities. You do not have any custom content yet, so you can get involved with doing this. They have different filters here that you could look through in their opportunity market, and it's all different. You know how crypto is basically like they have listen to earn and move to earn and all these things like that. So they have that type of content on here that you can get involved with, like answer to earn, create to earn, data to earn, learn to earn, play to earn, walk to earn, and write to earn. And then there's different levels, level 1, 2, 3. So you can create your own content on here, it looks like. I'm not sure if that's available at this moment or it's coming out in the future, but that's what is on their webpage here. Now they also have different sections here. It says access, exclusive member benefits, among them remuneration through to earn technology. Consumer benefits include NFTs, books, shirts, etc., training tools, and investments in financial products. With each new partner, new benefits will be unlocked. And they also have payments on here. So you could, coming soon, it says you'll be able to deposit crypto or fiat, most likely using by connecting your MetaMask wallet and things like that. Make payments easily via crypto, fiat, or game coins to have access to financial services to monetize your assets. So, and then you can withdraw them too as well. And then there's different sections at the bottom that aren't highlighted yet that looks like they'll be coming soon as well. So you can connect your wallet, all that type of stuff, or you can look at it as a visitor. Now their Twitter, at Wearedux_, has 13,300 Twitter followers already. It says they're from Brazil. Now, a lot of their pages are in Spanish, it looks like, so you can Google Translate them and then just view them in English, real easy. And they have lots of info on their Twitter as well. 1,777 tweets. They go through what is a, they compare Web 2 to Web 3, what is a Web 3 wallet, all sorts of info on this page as well. They have a full link tree with their socials on here. So check it all out. Wearedux, the DUX token gets listed on Mexc Global in 2 days. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Wearedux and the DUX token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Definitely check out that Mexc Global one where this token's about to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.